Hi, so today I will be talking about the Ellen Tracy perfume, and this one is just in Courageous. And I just want to show you guys what the perfume bottle looks like, starting from the bottom. What really attracted me to this perfume is the way it looks. This is a very unique perfume, and I've never really seen anything like it. I really and on top of like with the look of this perfume, I'm in love with the smell of this perfume. It's so unique to me. Like the cap, it just is like this long like black cap, and then like the nozzle to it is very like tiny, so you get like a direct spray of where you want to spray it. Like the bottle itself is glass. This part is so unique to me too, like the flowers. I love this aspect of it too. That's extremely cool to me. Like I love that part. Like super dope. And then yeah, like the whole packaging is really cool. Like I love that part of it. Also, guys, something else that is really cool is this gold part where it just says Ellen Tracy. Like I've never had a perfume bottle that said that, or like that like even exhibited how cool looking this one is. The perfume bottle is clear because it has this flower part, and this one is a 3.4 fluid ounce one, 100 millimeters. So just starting off about this perfume, I actually found this at a store like TJ Maxx. I didn't intend, it wasn't something that I was like, I've gotten this perfume before, so I want to go back and get it. I actually was just going around the perfumes, and I was smelling them, and I was like, that one smells really good, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna get it. But then I was like, I kept smelling it on me as I walked around the store, and by the time before I went to the checkout, I was like, no, I'm gonna get this. Like, it smells too good to pass up. So I ended up getting this one, and I fell in love with it ever since. I don't use this every day, so I know it's kind of low. It looks kind of low right now, but I've had this ever since before Christmas, and it's almost May, so that just says a lot about it. And I don't know if I'm the only one that feels this way, but every time I find a good perfume, like I just feel like I want to conserve it and like not just use it up. So I tend to, like, with my perfumes that I like love so much, I tend not to use them that much, just because, you know, like, I don't know, I love to conserve perfumes that I'm in love with, and this is one that I'm in love with. So I don't like to use this one as much as I use others, but I really do love this one. This is probably one of my favorite perfumes that I've purchased so far, and I'm pretty sure you guys are all wondering, like, is it expensive? Is it not expensive? So I know it's not going to be the same price as it's listed on Amazon, but it's not that expensive, like, especially for what it's worth and how it smells. And guys, it lasts so long. So I can spray 2 sprays on me in the morning, and I can still smell it at 3 o'clock when I'm sweating after the gym. So, and I'm not even over exaggerating, like, it's just something that I can spray on my clothes, and then like it's become a recognizable smell to people, like, oh, that's how Carm smells. Like, I've gotten my sorority sisters hooked on this. My sorority sisters have purchased this. I've really like gotten my coworkers to purchase this perfume. And also, like, I love this perfume so much, I would even be willing to give it out as a gift. One thing that I would say be careful of though, the whole bottle is glass. So I actually had a sorority sister purchase this, and she does have a dog, and her dog ended up knocking it off the table and it shattered. So that's never personally happened to me. As I said, this is my one and only perfume that I've ever purchased, and I've had this bottle before Christmas, so obviously mine is not broken, but I just feel like you would just be cautious and take care of this just like you would anything else that you care about and that is valuable to you. Also, something else too that I would say be very cautious about too with this is if you have sensitive skin. So not at all, a disclaimer, not at all am I saying this perfume is cheap or that it will break out your skin. But what I am saying is I know a couple of my sorority sisters had sprayed this on them and they're like very light pigment, and they went out in the sun and their skin kind of turned red because it is a very strong perfume. Like I said, guys, like it will last on you for a long time. So with very strong perfumes, you just want to be cautious that you're not spraying it too closely to your skin. And this is with any perfume, and I don't know if you guys may know this, but don't spray perfume very closely to your skin. Just be very cautious of that too. Sometimes it can harm your skin and you never know, and especially if you're going out in the sun and you're very easily sunburned, or yeah, just be very cautious about that aspect of it. But everything else, guys, like I'm in love with. I would suggest this perfume to anybody. This is a great Mother's Day gift, a great birthday gift, a great Christmas gift. It's not that big. It fits in my hand, so it's easy to travel with, but I do not suggest traveling with this product just because, like I said, it's glass, so don't travel with the product. Like, try to be very careful. Try to not like use it like in places that you know it will fall. But like I said before, I love this product. One of my favorite perfumes that I've purchased so far. And this is just the Ellen Tracy Perfume in Courageous. And this is a 3.4 fluid ounces, 100 milliliters.